Hi, this is Sean. This is Shawn Cole, professional online entrepreneur and online earner. Today, I want to talk to you about an exciting new platform in 2020 called Nowsite Life. Nowsite Life, the best analytics system for network marketing in 2020 that I have found. The new Nowsite platform is the best tool for network marketers, in my opinion. First and foremost, Nowsite gives you its three-click marketing tool. This is very easy and simple to use and very duplicatable to get your new recruit started quickly. And it's duplicatable. And we know how important duplication is in our business to have success, right? Nowsite also gives you flow analytics. This tool allows you to see where all of your traffic is coming from: social media, advertising, or just people that you have shared your landing page with. Nowsite also provides you with the best and easiest website builder available now. If you're a rookie or a seasoned vet in this field, I'm sure you understand how important this is for your credibility to have a presence online. Nowsite provides this for you. You also get a blog builder. This is huge for SEO purposes. Blogs make you searchable through online search engines, which is huge, and all of this is done for you. Yes, you heard me right. It's done for you. It's done for you through their AI software, their patented AI software. How great is that, man? Saving you time, saving you money, helping you to get your new recruit started quickly with a duplicatable system. If you would like to know more, give me a follow on Facebook at Shawn Cole Enterprises, or you could give me a call at 410-929-3390. And if you're interested and you want to take a look and you're ready to jump in, of course, I'll have links in the description of this video. Again, thanks for your time. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more information on Nowsite and other tools that can help you make money online. Again, I use this platform with success. It helps me to manage my downline and to get new recruits started quickly. It saves me a ton of time. Again, if you like what you hear, reach out to me, 410-929-3390. If you want to know more, there's a link in the description of this video. All right? Have a great day. Thank you for your time.